Right, welcome back everybody. Today we're actually going to try and polish the face of this wheel again because it seems to have a bit of lacquer peel on it. So we've taken over the Retro Restore workshop for the day, and hopefully we're going to try and get these looking a bit better. So let's get involved. Right then, so first of all what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick a bit of masking tape around this lip protector on the tyre here, because we don't want to really try and cause any damage to the tyre. Right then, so that's the wheel mask up there on the lip protector. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to hit it with a 180 grit sandpaper on the air sander, and sick notes just turned up, or soft shoulder should I say.
Hello, it's not soft shoulder, shoulder's alright now. And you don't know whether or not they've been painted before, do you?
Yeah, I thought they was diamond cut, but looking closely it looks like it could be paint.
Yeah, it looks like they've been sprayed silver on the front and also the insides of some sort of graphite grey colour. Well, we're going to sand them down anyway, and if he can polish them up, he will polish them up, because we've got up to 3,000 grit sandpaper, haven't you? Yeah. So, just see how it goes.
And if they need painting, you've got the job.
Unbelievable. That's the channel you want.
Oh yeah.
He sabotaged my videos enough time, so I've got my channeling on his channel now. Right, let's have a look at these wheels. So, closer inspection, as you can probably see, that is down to metal now, but this has been painted, as you can see. Can you see the silver paint on there? Look. So they've been lacquered and silver painted on the surface, and also down the sides. The sides he's going to leave graphite grey, so he's literally just going to work on the top things, and we're going to take the grit down, or he's going to take the grit down on the sanding disc up to sort of 2,000, and then hopefully that should be good enough to lacquer over. Is that right?
So I'm doing the first one and you can do the other three.
That's not going to happen, boy. Right, let me leave you to this now. I've got to go out and have a cup of tea, do a bit of editing, and leave you to do the donkey work.
Oh yeah. Right then, as you can see, I've gone around that whole face of this wheel now with the 180 on the DA, and it seems to have got everything off. It went pretty quick actually, it was not a bad job at all. So yeah, it's come up pretty nice now. So we're just going to move on to the next stage, and that will be going up in the grades on the sandpaper until we get up to our 3000. So let me just get some paper, and let me just bring you in and show you what sort of finish we got there. You can see all them fine scratches now from the 180. So we're just going to work our way up the papers now until we can hopefully get a nice mirrored polished finish. So let's get on with it. Right, so I've just given the wheel a bit of a clean down now, and what we're going to hit it with now is a 320 grade. Don't know if you can see that on there. So I'm going to go around the wheel again. We'll do the 320 and then we'll go up to a 5000, not a 5000. So we're going to do a 320, a 500, and then we'll go up to the 1000 and so on. See what sort of finish we're getting. So I'm just going to go around this now and I'll come back to you. Right then, welcome back. So the last time you see this, I was doing the 320, and we've actually gone up to the 500 grit now. 800, 1500, and we've just done the final 2000 stage now. So I think we're ready for polishing now, and this is the result that we've got from the 2000. I've had my boy working with me today.
Unbelievable. And anyone who does these by hand, as you probably well know, pay someone to do it.
I've got you.
You ain't. This is the only one I'm getting involved in. So now it's polishing. We've got the Farkler G3, which is ideal for this sort of stuff. And shall I say, we've got a battery drill.
I've got some polishing pads.
We'll get one on there. Get your polishing pad on.
Oh, what do we want?
Hey?
That one?
Yeah, whatever. I can't remember. The different coloured pads mean different coarsenesses, basically. So we don't want to go too mad putting this on because it'll fly off everywhere. So just dab it on. Oh God, what's happening there? I know what's here. Look.
The childproof. Look, see.
Right, give it a little dab in. Right, let's just have a little look, see how it does. If not, you have to do it by hand. Let's have a go. Right, just have a little go first, see how it goes. Keep it flat, that's it. You're on fast speed, put it on fast speed. Right, let's see the get a bit of cloth. Right, just give that a bit of a wipe off and let's see what we're left with. You've only done a little burst of it, I know, but yeah, it's got to polish up yet.
Yeah, getting there.
We're getting the glare now, as you can see. So yeah, he's just going to carry on do that now. You don't need to see all that, so we'll see you in a minute.
Right then, we've given them a bit of a polish up now. I did get this G3 regular grade compound, but it weren't really cutting the job really. It was leaving a bit of what was it? Residue on it. So what we've been using is the Autosol metal polish on the drill with the white pad, and this is the result we've got from it. So as you can see, it looks fantastic, and we've still yet to polish it up.
Still got to be cleaned up yet, as I say. It's just full of dust at the moment and crap and all that. So, but that's the effect anyway. So that's about the best you're going to get it, and it's a lot of work, but the drill makes it a lot easier to manage. So we're just going to clean the wheel up now, prepare it, clean it all with wax and grease remover, and get it ready for the coat of lacquer.
Right, so it's the next day now. As you would have seen in that last bit of time lapse there, my dad actually went round and lacquered the wheel for me now. So it's been left overnight, and as you can see, it's got a lovely finish on it. And
And what? And what?
And what do you reckon?
And I did it. It's not perfect, obviously, you can understand that, but it's going to be a lot better than what it is. It's got a bit of a hazing on it at the moment because it's got a bit of a moisture in the air, so don't worry about that. But let's get you a bit closer and have a look at it. So it just wants a buff and a polish now, but yeah, I think you'll agree that it's got a nice little shine on it now. And we just give that a light Scotch Brite up in there, and then obviously just painted them internal spokes. Very difficult to paint these because they got a lot of edges on them. And bearing in mind these, if you had to paint these individually as well, that'd be quite a lot of hassle to put darker colours in there. So there you go. Did you do this or did I do it?
I've done the donkey work.
Right, you're going to do the next three then, aren't you?
We are.
Unbelievable.
Right, so we'll get this back on the car and then we'll come back to you out the front. Right then, so it's all back on the car now, and we're going to leave it here for this little episode. So I will eventually get around to doing these centre caps as well. I know my dad's a good hand at doing them, so he can have a go at them. And until next time, we'll see you about. Oh yeah. Happy days.